So now I'm going to talk about what I do during my side. So I tend to find jobs online, social media manager, sometimes brands such as Netflix, Picnic, Bob.com, Quilcra, Breast Apparat, VQ, Cool Blue. They're always in need of home person, so I tend to apply for jobs online, send them an email or social media message, and afterwards I publish on my design. So most ladies like to look good, so if you wish to buy lovely fashionable wear, you can buy from Zara, you can shop from Temu, you can also buy fashionable clothing from Sienna in the Netherlands, from H&M. So these are brands that I like to wear as well. For food, I love to shop from several supermarkets in the Netherlands. We have Aldi, Lidl, Jumbo, Albert Heijn. So these are very famous supermarkets. Yeah, you guys should shop from these supermarkets. In Paris, you have Carrefour. In Belgium, you have Albert Heijn, Carrefour, and the houses supermarket. So I also like to buy beauty products from shops such as Easy Paris, Douglas. In Nigeria, you have Med Plus. In the United States, you have CVS. So I like to use Biotherm on my skin. I also like to use products from Rituals. I do like Douglas beauty products as well. For perfume, I like to use perfume from Chanel, Dior. I also like perfume from YSL. If you go on my website, blackma.me, you're going to find the perfume brands that are enlisted there. So you guys should check it. As you all already know, I enjoy creating content related to beauty, fashion, makeup, hair care, food, and more. So today I thought, why not talk about cool beauty products that I really like to use, food, fashion brands, and more. Without further ado, let's get